Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Charlie from Hazbin Hotel. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eyes. Let's start with two large ovals. Now let's move inside each eye and let's draw another oval towards the center. Next, let's move out and let's draw a curve along the top. And then color each of these sections in black. Next, from both sides, let's draw a curve out and back in for the eyelashes. And color these in black as well. And then hop down on the bottom corner and let's draw another curve going out. And then color both of these in black. Next, let's hop to the top of the eyes and let's draw the eyebrows. Let's start with a curve on the outside corner. And then another curve on top. And then color both of the eyebrows in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move down and draw the mouth. Underneath, let's draw a curve down and back up for the mouth. And then thicken it up slightly, like this. And now on top, let's draw a thick black angled line for the nose. And that's it for the mouth and nose. Now let's move up and let's start drawing the hair. Let's start on top of the left eye and let's draw a curve around. Then bring it up slightly on the right. Now from the bottom, let's draw a wavy line down and curve it up underneath the eye. And then curve it back out. Now top back up to the top and let's draw the next piece of hair. Let's start up on the top left and let's draw a wavy line down and bring it over to the right eye. And now let's continue that piece of hair out on the right and curve it up. Now let's move back up to the top left and let's draw a curve down and in. And then again from the top left, let's draw a wavy line up and out to the right. Then at the end, let's curve it in and back out to form two pointed V shapes. Now top back up to the top and let's draw a curve over to the right and down for the top of the head. And then continue this piece of hair underneath by curving it down and curve it out at the bottom. And then let's curve it back in at the bottom. Now inside this top section of hair, let's draw two curves going down. Next, let's hop over and let's draw the left side of the head. Let's draw a wavy line out, curve it down, and flick it out at the bottom. And then at the bottom, let's curve it back in. Next, let's hop back inside and let's draw the shape of the face. Let's start on the right side and let's draw a curve down, and then curve it in towards the center for the chin. And then a curve down on the left. Now let's move inside and let's draw a curve underneath each eye for the cheeks. And for the left side, let's draw it behind the piece of hair. And that's it for the face. Now let's move down and let's draw the bow. Underneath the head, let's draw 2 angled lines down and a line across the bottom. Now top outwards and let's draw a curve down and in on both sides. And then 2 curves down underneath. And now let's color the bow in black. Lastly, let's move to the sides and let's finish drawing the bottom of the hair. For the left side, let's draw a curve down and then bring it in. And the same on the right. And that's it for Charlie. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!